Are you one of the fortunate few that can actually park their car in the garage? I'm Danny Lippard with tips for today's homeowner. After the break, we'll talk about some ideas to make getting the car in and out a little easier right after this. Is keeping out the cold on your to-do list? With Duck Brand weatherization products, you can quickly and easily make your home more comfortable and efficient, saving you energy dollars along the way. Duck Brand's affordable product line includes a roll-on window kit that comes in different sizes and strengths, including standard and max strength. These kits create a weather-tight seal with no hassle and no measuring. That's my kind of DIY project. To learn more and find a retailer near you, visit duckbrand.com. If you actually use your garage for parking, you may have noticed that finding the perfect stopping point isn't easy. Too far and you can't get around the car. Not far enough and you can't close the garage door. Here's a trick to try. With the car parked perfectly, attach 2 eye hooks to the ceiling directly above the windshield. Tie a rope to one, and where it meets the windshield, thread it through a tennis ball with a hole drilled in it. Tie a knot below the ball and take the rope back up through the other eye hook. Now tie the rope off to the top of the garage door. When the door is up, the ball drops down to mark your parking spot. When the door goes down, the ball goes up and out of the way. I'm Danny Lippard with tips for today's homeowner.